What's up, it's Kanu back here again for another video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a playlist on your YouTube channel. But without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so here we are on youtube.com. All you're going to do is come up to the top right to your profile picture, click on it, and then go to YouTube Studio. Once you're in YouTube Studio, all you have to do is go up to the top right and click on Create, and then you should see New Playlist. If you do not see New Playlist, you have not been approved for playlist yet, and unfortunately, you're not going to be able to add playlists to your channel. But if you do have it, go ahead and click on New Playlist, and you're going to title it. For me, I'm going to put test, and then you add a description, and then you have public, private, and unlisted. Public is it shows it to the public so everybody can see it. Private is just for you, and then unlisted allows you to send it to people and they can only see it but no one else can see it. And then you have a bunch of different default video orders, so you have date published newest, date published oldest, and then so on. And then right here, here's where you add the videos. So you go through, add whatever videos on your channel you want to add. So click on them and then click on done. And then when you're done with that, click on create and then wait a second. And then if you want to see the actual playlist, all you have to do is click on content over here on the left hand side and then go to playlist. And then as you can see, I have my test playlist right there and the visibility is public. But that is how you create playlists on your YouTube channel. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down in the comments section, and then make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to take it easy.